Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute star bag. Make a slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook into first chain. Pull through and slip stitch. Make 1, 2 chains. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Make double crochet, yarn over, go to this ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Make double crochet, yarn over, pull through, pull through. Yarn over, go to this ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Make 15 double crochet in this ring. Make 15 double crochet. Go to this chain top of first chains, slip a stitch. Now we have 16 stitches in first round. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet. After 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make 1 chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet. After 6 stitch, make 1 chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitch, make 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 2 double crochet, make 1 chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, make a chain, go to this chain, top of first chains, a slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, make 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch. After 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, go to this hole, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each chain, 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, go to this corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each chain. In this corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each chain, in each stitch. One double crochet, 1 2 chains in this corner, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch. In last corner, 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, go to this stitch, a slip stitch. These chains, last stitch of this row, of third row. Make 1 2 chains. Yarn over, go to this first stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, go to next stitch, pull through, go to next stitch, pull through all of them and decrease these stitches. Go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to this corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 1 2 chains, go to corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, go to this stitch, bring yarn, go to next stitch, bring yarn, pull through all of them, go to next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, Go to this corner, make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, make 2 chains, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, go to next stitch, bring yarn, go to next stitch, bring yarn, pull through, make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 chains, 4 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, bring yarn and decrease 2 stitch, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 1, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 half double crochet in next stitch, decrease 2 stitch, pull through, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet in last corner, make 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 1, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. This chain is last stitch of this corner and a slip stitch. Make a slip knot, insert your hook into corners, make a chain and join 2 pieces together. Take back loops and a slip stitch. Take back loops, a slip stitch. In corners, make 1, 2 single crochet, join with 2 single crochet in corners. make 1 2 single crochet in last corner, make chains, go to next corner, make 1 single crochet, go to first stitch and slip stitch,